Okay, let's get this bad boy in the air. Okay, that's that. All looks in relatively good condition actually, saying that. So that potentially means that I can take this out with a magnet. I don't know if this little magnet is going to be powerful enough. Maybe. We shall see. Oh. Keep going. No, maybe it just needs a little bit of a helping hand. There you go, that's done. So that potentially means that now the axles are free to pop out, maybe.
Now I'm panicking.
Yep. Me too. We forgot about that. There she blows. Bearings look good actually. Nope. You don't want it there. A little bit of heat, comes right off. Easy peasy. There she goes. See ya. Pop your little sock in. Like that. Now you can just clean the outside. If you've got a wire brush, which I do. So, let's give this a little brush. Okay, so I've just temporarily put this in. I'm going to put some bolts on the back just to sort of hold this in. Just temporarily. I'll just put 2 in. Like that. No need for that one really. And then what we'll do is we'll just put the spindle back in. Like that. We got the axle back in, we got the mounting plate on the back of the axle, and then we've just put on the brake caliper here, just to sort of see what the clearance is like. So we're just going to throw this disc on now. So slide it in there, put that onto there, nice. Just get some bolts on. Like so. Okay, so that's on nice and tight. That turns, that mounts up to that, and let's get the pads in, see how it works. Okay, so we are almost there. So what I would say is, so this, the caliper mount goes on the rear. What I would do is keep this inside here to keep these pads separated, and then obviously slide it on, and then put your bottom bolts in, top bolt in first obviously. Push this in, so you've got a nice seat, just like that. And then take this out, so then everything seats back together. This one's in. Okay, it's all snugged up nice. That all runs nicely there. That's good. So now we just need to snug up the axle on this side, and then we're good to go. Okay, so the first thing you want to do to be able to install this handbrake cable is you want to take this. Well, luckily for you, the audio was corrupt on the last few minutes of this video, so you've got me instead. Lucky you. Basically, I'm just describing that you have to insert the cable in the top of this mount here on the caliper. As you can see, it's got a few little indentations there, so that sort of wraps through there. And then there's this little C-clip which then goes through one of those indentations, which then locks in the cable. Obviously, then you feed through the spring, and then the spring sits in a seat at the top there, and then it also sits down in the bottom there. And then what happens is you take up the slack, and then as soon as you push the handbrake down with your foot, it then clamps that down, which then closes the brakes. As you can see here, we've got everything finished, everything is run, everything's in place, and everything runs smooth. So the next thing for us to do after that is to get the Tesla brake booster mounted, and yeah, give it some fluid and get it working. Again, if you've got any questions or if you've got any comments, then please leave them down in the comments below. And thanks again for watching the video. But also, if you need these kits, I do have these kits available in the UK. So if you're in the UK and you've got a 67 to 72 C10, then just hit me up and we can have a little chat. Again, guys, thank you very much for watching and following the content. I really appreciate it. As always, make cool shit, and I will see you guys in the next one.